Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a laid back, just really quick chill video on an Ulta haul that I did. Now, I don't know if anyone else is like me, but I went in there for one thing. I kid you not, I only wanted one thing, and somehow that one thing just turned into a haul. I really don't know what happened, but yeah, so these are not necessarily anything that's like brand new to anyone or in stores or brand new in stores. It's just kind of a little collection of things that I've kind of been wanting to try for a while, and for one reason or another I haven't picked up until now. So we'll start with the one thing that I actually went there for, which was I wanted to pick up the MAC Fix Plus. Now, unfortunately, at my Ulta, I didn't even realize that they don't actually carry any of the MAC line. All they had was the little mini version of the MAC Fix Plus. And I was actually just going to leave it there because I'm like, no, I want the full size one. But this is so cute. I didn't want to just leave it there. I think it is so freaking adorable. I can still go find a MAC store and go get the full size, but that was just too cute to just leave in store. If anything, to have in my collection. It's adorable. I wanted it anyway, so I picked that up. What else? Oh, so following that, I also went and picked up the what they call a trial size of the Too Faced Hangover RX 3-in-1. I've never tried this before. I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. Now, I do have, and I do use sometimes, the Hangover RX in the tube, the primer like gel, and I really like that one, so I wanted to go ahead and just give this one a shot. This is the Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. So I was really intrigued by it, and so I figured, you know what, try the smaller size first, see if I like it, and then if I do, I can then go ahead and, you know, just get the bigger size one. Next, I was so excited to find this in store. This is the Heart Coffee and Cream Highlighter Duo. I don't know if anyone else following me follows Heart, That's Heart on YouTube, but I love her. She's so freaking sweet, and I've been wanting to get this off the e.l.f. website, but I'm the kind of person that I want to have like a list of things to pick up first and not just get the one thing. So I was super excited to find this one in store. So glad I went in for one thing because I ended up finding that. What else did I pick up here? The CoverGirl with their new packaging. This is the Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine and Define. The brow pencil that I currently use is the L'Oreal Brow Stylish Shape and Fill. I don't know if anyone has used this one before, but it has that thicker sort of teardrop shaped tip to it. I like this one a lot. It's not bad, but I wanted to try more of a precise tip because lately I've been kind of trying to change up the way that I do my brows. So I wanted to see if this would give me a little bit more precision that I was looking for. So I picked that one up. What else did I pick up? I picked up this NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner. Now, I've just been so attracted to more of the more vivid colors lately. As if my lip color right now doesn't tell you. But I've been so attracted to the more vivid and brighter colors lately, and when I saw this color, I just thought it looked gorgeous. Like, it's this beautiful, like a sapphire blue color, and so I wanted to pick that up and give that a shot. What else did we grab in here? I also have the Maybelline Curvitude liner. I have kind of a love-hate relationship with these felt tip liners. I'm not really a fan of how fast they dry out. I'm not really a fan of the tips of them because they tend to be a little thicker than the liquid brushes, or, you know, using a slanted brush using cream liners. So, but I've heard some good things about this one, so I wanted to give it a try and see if I have any luck with it. And hopefully it won't be, you know, as bad as some other ones I've tried in the past. What else do we have here? This is the Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer, and this is in the color Major. Now, if anyone has actually seen my favorites video, I was wearing it in that one. I'm not a super fan of this. It's just, it's kind of sticky. Not the worst, but kind of sticky. And I did use a lip liner under it, but it kept bunching up like in the corners of my mouth, and it was just a really gross feeling. So yeah, I'm probably not gonna be wearing that again because I could just do without that hassle. A couple of others I picked up was the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte in the color, is this one called Supermodel? This one's called Supermodel. I haven't tried it yet, but let's hope I have better luck with this than I did with the other, because that was just a hot mess. I picked up the Model's Own, what is this nonsense called? The Model's Own Liquid Metal Matte Lipstick in the color Red Velvet. So can't wait to use that one because I've just been kind of all about my reds lately. What else do we have here? The new Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Velvet Finish in Restorative Effects. So another one that I can't wait to try and use. I also found here the Sally Hansen Insta Dry nail color. It's supposed to dry in 60 seconds. I don't know how true that is, but I definitely wanted to try it out. Possibly when these nails come off, I'll actually just do a video trying this out on camera. For the record, the color I got is called Sonic Bloom. I just thought it was so cute. It's like this corally red color. And yeah, it's just a gorgeous color. For the summer, I love corals. I love like just anything in that orangey corally tone. I think it looks awesome. And when I finally get my tan going, I love the way the color looks on my skin. So I couldn't resist getting that one. What else do we have here? The Flower Beauty Miracle Glow Satin Finishing Powder. I have a few other finishing powders, loose powders, and they're all matte. And it's funny because I have dry skin, so I usually don't even like matte products. So I wanted to give this one a try. It also minimizes the appearance of imperfections and gives you an ambient glow. So we'll see how true that is. I do have 1 or 2 matte foundations there, so I'm actually gonna test this out on top of those and see how it looks. But yeah, it's definitely intrigued by this one, so I want to try that one out. And what do we have here? This is the Flower Pots Powder Blush Soft Satin Finish Easy to Blend Buildable Color Blushes from Flower Beauty. I've never tried their blushes. I've seen a few other people who kind of rave about them, so I wanted to give it a shot. And this one is in the color Sweet Pea. And it looks a lot like my favorite blush, which is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. So I really wanted to give that a shot. And last but not least, we have the Jaclyn Hill palette. I've been debating for, oh, I'm like blinding everyone. I've been debating on getting this one for a while now because I already have the Dare to Create 39A palette. And I wasn't sure if this one was basically just going to end up being an exact dupe for it. Now it came with bubble wrap and everything. It's only open because I stood at the register and opened that sucker up right in front of the cashier because I was not going to bring home something that had been tampered with or swatched or anything else. So but yeah, I picked that up because just the fact that it was at my Ulta, I took it as a sign that I did need to get it. Again, especially because I wasn't even there for it, but boom, just perusing the aisles and there were 3 left, so I had to pick that up. So that is the last thing that I got. Just wanted to sit down and share that with you all. For the things that I haven't tried yet, I'll probably do follow-ups as I use them in videos, or maybe do one collective video where I kind of talk about everything that I got a chance to try and how that all turned out. But yeah, that was fun for me. I hope it was fun for you. Thank you for sitting with me through the video. If you haven't already, then please subscribe. If you are subscribed, then please hit the notification bell. And if you like the video, then give the video a thumbs up. That's all I have for you today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.